Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to reset this Motorola G Power. This particular device is with TrackPhone. This tutorial should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. Let's start with a tutorial and show you the steps on how to get this done. As you see, this device has a password on it. Now, we can't get into the phone, so that's why we want to reset it. Make sure if you do want to reset your phone, if you have a Google account logged in on it, when you reset it, make sure to re-log into your Google account. It may ask you for that. Now start with a tutorial. First thing, you want to power off the device. Press and hold the power button. Once the device is completely turned off, there's two buttons you would need to perform the reset. You want to press the volume down and the power key at the same time. And once the device comes on, you want to release just the power and keep holding the volume down. This will come up right here. So you want to use the volume down key to navigate. You want to press down until you get to recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key. It will restart. Give it a second. Once you get to the no command screen, there's two buttons you would need to press to bypass this. So you want to press the power, then press the volume up. You will get to this menu right here. Then you want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factor reset. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Then you want to scroll down to factory data reset, then press the power key again. Once it's done formatting, everything is deleted off the device, then you can go ahead and reboot it. Press the power key, then that's it. It's going to restart, then it's going to be on the activation screen where you can set up your device again. Make sure if it does ask you for the Google account to re-log into the same one was previously used on the device. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. That would help us a lot. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.